night away, hang out the whole.
Hello guys! Happy Wednesday! Today is July 24. Bahay na kami. Galing kaming swimming lessons ni Hailey. Time check 12:06. Ayan! Si Hailey pa nakatulog agad yan eh after swimming. Ay, ang amos pa. Kakakain mo lang ng yogurt. Say hi! Jesus! Last day mo na tomorrow ng swimming classes. Hindi mo na makakita yung mga classmates mo. I mean, swimmates. Ayan. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog dun, guys. Hindi ko kasi nadala tong camera. Tapos, medyo na-stress pa ako ng light kanina dahil hinahanap ko yung isang pair ng AirPods ko na wala. So, naalala ko Monday, ginamit ko yun. Nanood ako ng YouTube habang on the way kami dun sa Minuri. Tapos, yun nga, nakita ko kanina, wala. So, tinignan ko na yung bag ni Hailey, yung gym bag namin, yung stroller, yung bag ko, wala. So, chinek ko dito sa bahay. Buti na lang nakita ko sa bulsa ng aking pants na sinuot noong Monday. Buti hindi pa nalabhan kasi ang laundry day namin Thursday or Friday. Kaya yan, masaya ako. Hindi na ako stress. Diba? Sayang kasi pag nawala isang peraso nun, tapos bibili ka ng isang pair nun. Ayan. Oy, biglang umaaraw. Kanina, gloomy, guys. Ayan na, maingay constructions. Ang construction pala. Nabubulol-bulol ako. Ayan ang aking grill. Ginigrill ko na ngayon. Actually, ulam namin ito mamayang gabi. Eh, dahil gusto ko ng banatan tong pork belling, i-grill na natin. Ay, nasunog! Mahina na to. Yung kulay itim lang siguro ito matatanggal naman niya. Ay, natatanggal. Ayan. Hininaan ko na to para talagang maluto yung loob. Ayan. Tanggalin natin yung mga itim-itim. Ay, pati ito. Tatanggal. Ayan, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Teka lang. Tanggalin ko lang yung itim-itim. Wait, guys. Guys, time check. 1:24 p.m. Tapos na ako. Kami ni Mama mag-lunch. Yan. Yung pag-grill. Si Hailey na sa baba. Maglalaro. Nanonood kami ng news. Grabe ang baha sa Pilipinas. Yung bagyong Carino, parang bagyong Ondoy, Mama, no? Lahat binaha. Kawawa. Yung mga nire-rescue, yung mga bata, ito pinapanood namin sa 24 oras, oh. Grabe. Walang na silang mga pasok. Ilang araw kaya to? Kagahapon to, no? Sa Pilipinas, ma. Ngayon may baha pa din. Grabe. Ilang years na yung Ondoy na yun, bago na naman tong parang buong Pilipinas.
Masahol pa sa...
mas masahol pa sa Ondoy to. Grabe, baha ang Metro Manila sa kaibang probinsya. Ay, nako. Kawawa. Madaming tumulong. Ay, maswerte si Hailey. Nasa Canada. Ay. Doon sa Kalentong din. Say hi. Patingin nga ng face mo. May white pa ba na? Meron pa. Hindi pa napunasan. Kumain ng yogurt yung bottom ko eh. Malapit na mag 9 months yan eh. Sa Sunday. 9 months ng aking Hailey Pot-Pot. Ang bigat-bigat. Jesus. Bigat-bigat yun eh. Kit-kit mo daw. Kit-kit mo daw. Yung mga tao dun sa swimming, swimming class. Marami kasi doon, guys, may mga seniors. Basta all walks of life, may mga nagsuswimming doon. Maraming mga seniors nagsusumba sila sa tubig. Kapag pumipila na si Mama doon sa shower, shower area. Yung mga nakakita kay Hailey, sabihin, she's so cute! Cute-cute ka daw! Tapos, ito naman, pag pwesto din kami doon sa gilid, maghihintay kami. Kung sino mga katabi niya doon, ngingitian niya. Kaya tinatawanan din siya at nilalaro din siya ng mga katabi niya eh. Kaya matanda, bata, middle age. Minamarites mo sila. Jesus! Cute-cute daw. Cute-cute. Si Hailey. Tumatayo na to eh. Doon sa laruan niya kanina, doon sa parang yung sa walker niya. Tumatayo na siya eh. Malapit na tumaglakad eh. Yung tignan niya. Say mama nga. Say mama. Mama. Kahapon, daldal to eh. Say mama. Hailey, say mama. Kita na yung dalawang ipin sa baba. Ay! Kita na. Pag-pray mo yung mga tao sa Pilipinas, oh. No. Malalagpasan yan. Mga Pinoy pa. Resilient. Na. Ay, bakit naman yan? Oh, bakit naman yan sa camera? Bakit ang baby ko? Pakit. Grabe, ang bigat. Kagabi, ang tagal nito bago matulog eh. Bedtime na eh. Ano pa eh, gusto pang tumayo, ikot-ikot pa sa kama, hanggang hinayaan na lang namin mapagod siya at, ayun, plakda. Plakda. Try natin. Last day mo na bukas, Thursday, sa swimming classes niya. So, try natin ilagay natin yung waterproof case nitong camera, tapos i-video natin si Hailey ng palihim. Sana magawa ni Mami. Na. Sleep ka na. Nap time. Nap time. Nap time na yung baby. Mamaya, andyan na si Daddy. Nap time. Say hi. Hey, say hi. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Mamaya ulit, guys. Tingnan natin mapag-vlog pa. Ayun pala. Yung pala sasabihin ko, sabi ko meron akong babanggitin eh. Mamayang gabi guys, merong dito every year, Honda Celebration of Lights. Merong fireworks sa downtown, dun sa English Bay. Pang second night na nila ngayon eh. Nag-start sila nung Saturday yata. Parang, alam ko, July 20. 3 bansa yan every year na naglalaban-laban sa fireworks. So, Portugal yung nagpasiklab nung Saturday, tama. Tas ngayon, July 24, I think Malaysia nga ba? Tas meron ulit Saturday 27, so 3 days yan. Gusto ko namin pumunta, kaso mahirap pag may dalang kotse, downtown yun guys. Lahat yun mga nagbabas lang sila or Skytrain kasi sobrang daming taong nanonood. Maaga pa lang nandun na sila sa beach. Ayan. Oh yeah, Malaysia. Tama ba? Oh yeah. July 24 Malaysia and July 27 United Kingdom naman Saturday. Hopefully sana makapunta tayo para si Mama sa si Hailey kasi mahirap talaga eh. Hindi tayo makakapag-car. Mahirap ang parking, mahirap makalabas. Yan. Alam ko, extended din ng Skytrain eh, pag ganyang masaya yun. Ang dami ding nagpipiknik dun sa beach. Yan. Pag lumubog na yung araw, sa kanila sisimulan yung fireworks. Siguro mga bandang 10 PM yan. Oh, United Kingdom, Saturday. Yan. Last year, nanalo ang Philippines. Yan, kasama ang Philippines doon sa Honda Celebration of Lights. Yan yung mga happenings dito sa Vancouver kapag summer, guys. Kaya masaya. Sayang, hindi nga naabutan nila Kuya Mark yan eh. Excuse me, yung mga fireworks dito. So, ayun guys. See you later! Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday! Today is Thursday, July 25, 9:39 PM. Waiting na lang kami guys makapasok doon sa swimming pool. Yan, 9:45 tayo pumasok kasi yung nagbabantay ngayon doon ay yung mahigpit. Ayaw niya kaming early pumasok doon. Kailangan daw 15 minutes before nung swimming class ni Hailey. Kahapon maaga kami sa isang araw kasi iba yung nagbabantay. Nung chinek ko, siya yung nagbabantay. Kaya wait kami dito. Ayan ang outfit ni Hailey. Ay! No. Yan. Iba naman kanyang swimsuit today. Yan. Last day na ng swimming lessons ni Hailey. Sana makapag-video tayo dun sa water. Kaya dala ko tong camera, tapos nalagyan ko ng waterproof case. Yan. Para makita ng kanyang daddy. Tapos dala namin tong floaters ni Hailey. Yan. 5 minutes na lang. pwede na kaming pumasok doon eh. Kaya hinubaran ko na to dito para ako na lang mag-change. Then, swimming na kami before 10 a.m. 30 minutes lang naman yung class ni Hailey eh. High five! High five! High five! Good job! One more! High five, mommy! High five! High five! High five! High five! High five! High five! High five, Hailey! One more! One more! High five! Yay! So cute, cute. Hey. Shower, shower.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, busy getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Joy, where did you go? Remember the days we were young, wild and free, busy getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go?
Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Whoa! It's your daddy! It's your daddy! Whoa! It's your daddy! Whoa! Fit! Fit! Ay!
getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go?
Whoa! Come on! Yay! Thank you! Thank you so much! Let's go, let's go!
Ayan, nakuha na namin guys yung aming $10. So, ayan ang number namin. Ulit, tinaya ako ng $5. Tapos, kinuha ko yung $5. Next time na to. Ayan. Tapos, kuha natin sa concierge yung package. Let's go, Hailey! Let's go! Ha? Let's go! Ano yung hawak mo? Ito na kami guys. Lakad-lakad na. Pauwi! Nakatulog tong isang batuta eh. Magising na. Ay, sus!
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go? Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day,